I give you a little example of how you can have a hot shower out in the middle of nowhere. All you'll need is a water source and some 12-volt power. So first thing that we need is a pump. So that pump will be installed to the tank. It can actually lift the water up to 1.2 meter minimum, and then we have got pressurized water. From here we have to have a mixing valve installed. We've got these mixing valves in stock here all the time. They have got a cold water inlet that you can pressurize from the pump, but we also need to get some hot water to the boiler. So what we need is a T-piece. So you get from the pump to the T-piece, out of the T-piece to the water mixer. From here we have to get to the hot water system, and we have to go around the corner. So we've got these 90-degree fittings. By the way, these are all John Guest 12mm push fittings. So all you need to do to put them together is just push them into each other. That's all you need to do. So from there we need a water heater. Let's use the OSJ 6-liter 12-volt water heater. So we can plumb that in with cold water in, hot water out to the temperature mixer. So now the temperature mixing valve is being supplied with cold water, and since the pump is pumping the cold water into the water heater and then the hot water out of the water heater, we've got a hot water supply here as well. These water heaters, if you crank them up all the way, can have 6 liters of 70-degree hot water in it. So instead of adjusting the temperature here, because then you'll only have 6 liters of, let's say, 38-degree warm water, if you have 6 liters of 70-degree warm water and you mix it with cold, you can easily get 10-12 liters of hot shower water out of this. Now, to connect your shower, what you will need is adapters, because you want to be able to use the push fittings on the mixing valve. So we've got the right adapters for that. They just screw on here, and you can use the push fittings to go onto the water mixer. But now you want that to be very easy in a way that you can actually have a shower head connected to it. So we've got these shower heads, and they've got these 1.5 meter hoses with them. They have got some metal sleeving on them to make them quite rugged. But to connect these, what you need is the best thing, because you don't want to have this dangling around all the time. So you want to be able to have a quick connection and then put it away when you don't need it. So we've got plastic nitto fittings. These are usually being used for air in workshops, and as soon as you got them disconnected, they actually seal straight away. And to connect it to the 12mm John Guest system, we have got these adapters here as well. So you just need to run the pipe in between, and now you need to go from this piece to the nitto fitting. And we've got that as well, because we're using these all the time in the workshop. What you've got right now is a very easy installation for a plumbing system. Cold water going into the mixer, bypassing the mixer here, going into the cold of the water heater, coming back out into the mixing valve, connecting the mixing valve to a quick fitting, and all you need to do then is push that in, and when the water pump is on, it will pump up to pressure, it will then automatically stop, and as soon as you press this button, the pump will pump again, and you can have a hot shower. It's as easy as that. If you want to do plumbing yourself, this is the way to go about it. If you want to know more about these parts, and if you want to know how to find and get them, please have a look in the description below or in the bio on top. These are all available from Perth Pro in Bayswater, so you can see us in the shop where you've got this whole range of products available for your installation, or you can find them online at perthpro.com.au. Thank you very much for watching.